This is Power Bank Shootout number 2. We're going to take a look at 3 more power banks. We're going to let you know if they're worth buying or not. Coming up. Welcome to Fliphead TV, where we bring to you tutorials and reviews on consumer products. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Today, we're going to show you 3 more power banks, and we're going to let you know if they're worth buying or not. So further ado, let's get into this. The first power bank we're taking a look at is the Junkoo. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank. It has 2 USB ports out with 1 micro USB in. The size of it, it's a lot smaller than my Samsung S10 phone. The capacity after using it, it is maintaining the 10,000 mAh capacity. This is a pretty good unit. What I like about it is small. On the front, it has a little LED indicator to let you know how much the power bank is charged. This can be found on Amazon for $19.99. The next power bank is the Adeaz. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank. The size of it is smaller than my Samsung S10. Do I have issues with this charging my phone? No, I don't. It charges my phone perfectly fine. It has 1 USB port out, 2 micro USB ports in. It has a small LED indicator on the front to let you know how full the power bank is. I have not had any issues with this charging my phone wirelessly or by USB ports. I've been using this for the past 3 months and it seems like it's holding the capacity. It's a nice little unit, small, compact, can fit in your pocket. The next power bank is a Dualpow. The size of it is about the same size as my Samsung S10. It has 2 USB ports out, 1 micro USB port in. On the back you got a little compass. On the bottom you have 2 flashlights. Do I have any issues with this power bank charging my phone? No, I don't. Is it holding the capacity of the 30,000 mAh from the time I bought it? I don't know because it's constantly charging. But I do know that every time I use it, it gives my phone a full charge. Now in the unboxing and review video, there's a comment about the build quality that they said that it looked like it was built tough. Would I trust tossing this across the room? No. Would I trust dropping it from maybe waist height? Yeah, it would be perfectly fine. But it isn't built as strong as what it looks. I know the camera makes it look like it's a very rugged and durable power bank, but in all honesty, messing with it, it isn't really that strong. So there you go, 3 power banks. All of them work fine with my phone. All of them are half decent power banks. I wouldn't say they're the best that money can buy, but they're power banks. What more do you want to know? Now I will put all the prices that I paid for these off of Amazon down in the description. The ones that I do catch myself going to use more often are the smaller ones, for the reason that they're small and I can fit them in my pocket. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, peace out.